futures and options expiry is traditional. But what's the sense about, the kind of bets or the kind of position people will be taking into the next series as we step into June, because it's historically a very sluggish month, not too much to do in terms of returns.
Yeah, if you look at May, it has not really been a very good month for traders. Actually a lot of people might have lost money with the kind of movements that we have had across the month. So I don't really believe too much of positions will be moved forward into next month. You'll have the usual rollover about 60-70% for stocks as well as for index, which is the sort of norm for every month that you do have. These are largely the arbitrage positions. But if you were to look at the trading pattern of today, maybe we can draw a little bit of encouragement that the Bank Nifty has not really gone much lower than what it had traded yesterday, as well as the main Nifty is also trading in and around what it had closed the last time. So I think the market is trying to find its feet. Whether it shall or not will depend upon how firmly it acts from here into the close. I think we do need a close above 54, 54.20 in order that people need to have some amount of comfort. Without that, I think there is a danger of again slipping down to test the support near 53.50.
What's your own gut at this point in time, Dr. Narayan, about which way the market would trend? I mean, yes, the consensus is that the downtrend from these levels is perhaps a little more apparent than an up move, but do you see that strength in the charts?
I am leaning a little bit towards a rally, towards say, let's say 54.50 by Thursday for expiry. I am basing this on the slightly better performance from Bank Nifty. I see that Bank Nifty has hit a very decent level of support, and I have been finding that recent times the banking index and the banking sector stocks are the ones which lead the market up or down. So I would take this particular cue from Bank Nifty and expect that it will exert a positive influence on the Nifty, and the whole thing will get dragged upward till about 54.50. So I am looking for an expiry somewhere around 54.50 by Thursday.
Okay. That's really a call on some of the banking stocks as well. The other bit, Dr. Narayan, would be, we spoke about these stocks for the last 2 days, and that's the metal boys. Amongst the top losers in trade yesterday as well. And a lot of people have talked about fundamentally also some of these metal stocks, like for example a sale going down to as low as 2-digit numbers from the current 142. There is an FP overhang over that one, and not that the other metal stocks have done really too well. Tata Steel ahead of the numbers today as well has just about shown some bit of a fight. What's your sense?
Yeah, I think they're trying to save themselves from going down further. That is the kind of sense that one gets from the charts. They are putting up a fight. SAIL, I think, is giving up because you really do not have any positives to wave in its face so that it can save itself. But I think Tata Steel is a trader's favorite, institutional favorite, everybody's favorite. So it's really putting up a fight and going down. The Jindal Group stocks, some of them have really skipped badly. Jindal I think Jindal Steel has also started to drop. So not really very encouraging set of situation here. Like I said before, they're all trying not to go down, but I don't think they are really succeeding very much, because I think the base metal prices are also not doing too well. And with the dollar set to rally, whether on reason A or reason B, that is largely irrelevant. But if the dollar were to rally a little further and the base metal prices were to come off some, I think we'll have more downward pressure on the, let's say, individual metal stocks here.
Alright, stay on, Dr. Narayan, lots more to talk about. In fact, let's continue this conversation with Dr.C.K.Narayan, also getting a fundamental voice to speak about who is the economist and strategist at Credit Agricole CIB.